See, today I am going to show you how to create the web application in SharePoint. Okay, before going to that, can I ask you a few more questions?
Sure.
Yes. Now tell me, to install the SharePoint, minimum how many service accounts are required?
2.
Yeah, what are they? SP_admin and SP_farm account, right?
Yes.
Okay, to install the SharePoint, these two service accounts should be having some permission levels in equivalent. Right, what are they? Yeah, security admin and DB creator. Getting right? Okay, now tell me, once I install the SharePoint, okay, how many databases will be created by default? More than
2 databases.
Yeah, 2 databases. Why? Because it is admin related things. Okay, next. What are they? What are all these 2 databases?
SP admin database.
Yeah, configuration database and the SharePoint_admin database, right?
Yes.
Yeah.
Getting next. Tell me at least 4 differences between SharePoint 2007 and 2010.
Fetch block.
Yeah, one is ribbon is new in SharePoint 2010, which was not there in SharePoint 2007. Once I install the SharePoint 2007, what is the folder will be created? 12 Hive. Whereas coming to the SharePoint 2010, 14 Hive. If the SharePoint 2013, 15 Hive. Got it? Okay. Now what else? What else is there? Other than ribbon and the 14 12 Hive, next Silverlight web part is new. Okay, Silverlight web part is new in SharePoint 2010, which was not there in SharePoint 2007. What is the one more difference?
Asset library.
Asset library. Yeah, asset library is new in SharePoint 2010, which was not there in SharePoint 2007. Get it? See, now I am going to show you how to create the web application in SharePoint 2010. See, once I install the SharePoint, one folder will be created. See, go to the start, all programs. Here we can find it. What is it? Microsoft SharePoint 2010 products. Okay, click on here. Once you click on it, again we will get 3 options. One is SharePoint 2010 Central Admin, Management Shell, Products, Configuration. Forget about these 2. I will let you know later on. To open the Central Admin, what we will do? Just click on Central Admin. It will ask you the username and password. Okay, generally it will ask you the username and password. Let me close the cache. Everything. Open the Central Admin. Okay, like this it will ask you. What is the username and password should I pass to you open the Central Admin?
Admin.
Yeah, SP_admin or SP_farm account. I told you, 2 service accounts are required to install the SharePoint. By using these 2 service accounts, we will try to open the Central Admin. Madhuri and Srikanth?
Yes.
Okay.
Okay, now pass the credentials. I have installed the SharePoint by using administrator account. Click on. Got it? Okay, this is the Central Admin. In Central Admin, I told you, once I install the SharePoint, how many databases will be created? One is configuration database, other one is SharePoint_admin database. Next, if I create a web application, how many content databases will be created by default? One content DB created. Got it? As of now, I was explaining about configuration database and content database. Okay? Did I explain about SharePoint underscore admin content database? Getting guys? No, I didn't explain about that, right? So our central admin, this is the central admin. Okay, it is running on which database? SharePoint underscore admin content database. Got it?
Okay.
Okay, Madhuri?
Yes.
Yeah. So this central admin, whatever we are seeing, this page is running on which database? SharePoint underscore admin content database. Okay, getting guys? Any doubt? See, next, now I will explain about every point. See, here we can find it out totally 7 tabs. One is application management, system settings, monitoring, security, upgrades and migration, general application settings. Okay, what is the use of application management? See, to create the web application, to create the site collection, to delete the site collection, to delete the web application, these kind of operations we can perform by using what? Application management. Coming to the system settings, we can do some settings in system level. Is called system settings. Next, monitoring. What is the monitoring? The icon itself, it is describing that monitor something. What we will monitor? Like timer jobs. By default, our SharePoint is up and running on many timer jobs. To handle them, we will use the what? Monitoring tab. Next, backup and restore. What is the use of backup and restore? See, I have one project. Now, implementation is completed in dev environment. Now, finally, what should I do? I want to move it to production environment. Getting? So, what should we do? We will take the site backup from the dev environment and copy that into the production environment. We will try to restore it by using what? Which tab? Backup and restore tab. Getting? Any doubt as of now? Madhuri and Shiva? Sorry, Srikanth.
No.
Yeah, next, security. Yeah, what is the use of security? To give the permission to other users to access the central admin. Getting? As of now, by default, how many users are there to access the central admin? Only 2. What are they? SP underscore admin, SP underscore farm. As a client, okay, you also need to access the central admin. Then where should I give the permissions? By using security tab. Getting?
Yes.
Next, upgrades and migration. What is the use of this tab? See, today my SharePoint license going to be expired. What we will do? We will pay some amount to Microsoft, then we will get new product key, then we will install it on by using which tab?
Upgrade
Upgrade
and
and migration tab. Yeah. Next, general application settings. I told you yesterday. By using general application settings, what we will do? I have some SSRS server. You know, right? What is the SSRS? SQL Server Reporting Services. Getting? SQL Server Reporting Services. Okay? To integrate SSRS with SharePoint 2010, we will use general application settings. Getting? Any doubt? Reporting services means show the SQL Server data in graphical format is called report. Have you heard about this term? SSRS?
yeah.
Yeah, that is called SSRS, SQL Server Reporting Services. Now tell me, to create the web application in SharePoint, what should I do? Go to Application Management tab. Okay, once you click on Application Management tab, again we will get 4 options: web application, site collection, service application, databases. Getting, guys? Any doubt? To create the web application, what is the web application? First of all, collection of site collections. What is the site collection? Collection of subsite or website. Getting? What is the website or subsite? Collection of pages. Yeah, getting, guys? See, now I want to create new web application. How can you create it? Just click on Manage Web Application. Once I click on Manage Web Application, it will display list of the web applications which are all already existing in my SharePoint server. Okay, as of now I have 3 web applications. Now I need to create new web application. How can you do it? This is the ribbon. I told you what is the difference between SharePoint 2007 and 2010? Ribbon. Ribbon is new in SharePoint 2010, which was not there in SharePoint 2007. Getting. Next, to create the web application, what should you do? Click on New on the ribbon. Okay, see, we will get this screen. As of now, do you have any questions? Anyone? See, here I have 2 types of authentication. What are they? Classic mode authentication and client based authentication. What is the difference between classic mode and client based authentication? See, if it is classic mode, then our SharePoint web application is going to be interact with the Active Directory user. I told you what is the Active Directory yesterday. Getting? What is the Active Directory? The Active Directory is a storage area where we will store the user's information. Getting? Next, client-based authentication. When should we go for client-based authentication? See, if your users are there in Active Directory, then we can go for classic mode authentication. If it is your users were there in SQL Server, then we should go for client-based authentication. Getting? Any doubt, Madhuri?
Come again, sorry. If
Yeah.
users are there in SQL Server, we're going to use.
We will use client-based authentication. Getting? Means you are already aware of the .NET, right?
Yeah.
Okay, you know form-based authentication.
Yeah, form. Yeah.
Yeah, users are coming from where? SQL Server, right? Same way, same concept implemented over here.
Okay.
Okay. Madhuri, any questions?
No, I'm good.
Yeah. What is the client-based authentication means? Generally, users will be coming from Active Directory. Assume that tomorrow your client asked that my all users are there in external directory. External directory which is related to what? Oracle product. Okay. So our SharePoint web application need to be communicated with what? Oracle product. Then what should you do? We need to use client-based authentication. Got it?
Yes.
Yeah. Next, I told you yesterday, once I create a web application, automatically that will be deployed on IaaS. Getting, guys? See, in this IaaS, it will be deployed the application by using this name. If you want, you can change it. I am giving some IBM prod you can give some port number. Let me give the 8585. Got it? Each and every web application, it will be up and running on one port number, as you know that already. Okay? Getting, guys? If it is .NET web application or Java or Lotus Notes, whatever it may be, it should be running on one port number. Getting? So by default, our Windows Server 2008 R2 version will support nearly 65,800 ports. So how many web applications we can create it? Madhuri. Hello? Madhuri, are you there?
Yeah, I'm there. I didn't get your question.
Yeah. By default, Windows Server 2008 R2 version, it will support nearly 65,800 ports. Get it? So, how many web applications I can create?
65,000.
Yeah,
Same
65,800.
6,400.
Yeah, 65,800 web applications I can create. Get it? Next, what is it? inet pub wws root what? WSS virtual directory. So what does it mean? I told you, once you create the web application in SharePoint, automatically that will be deployed on IaaS. So what is the IaaS? I told you yesterday. IaaS is the web server where we will deploy the where we will host the application. Getting under virtual directory, it will create one folder with the name of 8585, that is port number, where it will copy all SharePoint related files. It will happen by default. Getting Madhuri?
Yes.
Yeah, Srikanth?
Yeah.
Okay. What is the 8585? This is the what? INET pub path, where it will create one folder with the name of port, where it will copy all SharePoint related files. Get it? This will happen automatically. Next, authenticated provider. What is it? Authentication provider. There are two types of authentication providers. One is Kerberos, other one is NTLM. What is the NTLM? Network LAN Manager. What is the Kerberos? When should we go for Kerberos? Assume that your data, assume that in your site we have very sensitive data. Okay, we have very sensitive data. In that case, we will go for Kerberos. Getting what is the use of Kerberos? It will encrypt the all SharePoint content. What it will do? It will encrypt the all SharePoint content. Then it will go in between networks. Getting guys? So encrypted data flowing in network, it will take long time and we can see some performance issues as well. Getting? If you are going somewhere, if you go with luggage, then it will obviously take some time, right? Getting guys? Madhuri and Srikanth?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay. Next, allow anonymous. What is the anonymous? See, while you are asking Google, is it asking you any credential to say something? No, right?
No.
So what does it mean? We are not giving the any credential over there. That means anonymous. So if we make our SharePoint application as anonymous, then even our SharePoint also won't ask you any credentials. Directly it will display the home page. Getting? Okay, if it is no means users are coming. If users are coming from Active Directory, then we need to validate. We need to provide the credentials. That means users username and password. Got it? Next, use SSL. See, what is it? HTTP. If I click on yes, what is it? HTTPS. Getting? What is the difference between HTTP and HTTPS? HTTPS means secure socket layer. Got it? If you want to use SSL, that is HTTPS, we need to purchase the one certificate from the vendor who is going to issue that certificate. Very famous in the world is Verizon certificate. Verizon, very famous in the world. All banking sites are using Verizon certificate only. Got it? See, I am going to show you onlineMBA.com. It is internet banking. What is it? HTTPS. If you want to know what is the company, which company is issuing this certificate, click on here, go to the connection, certificate information. What is it? Verizon company. Verizon company is the very famous company to issue the certificate. There are lot of third-party vendors are there, but still very famous is Verizon. Getting guys? Madhuri?
Yes.
Srikanth?
Yeah.
So it is certification cost. Every year we need to pay $500 to this company. Getting? Every year we need to pay $500. Then only the certificate will get renewed or they will issue the new certificate. Getting? This is what difference between HTTP and HTTPS. Any doubt? Madhuri and Srikanth? Srikanth, any question? Yeah. Next, scroll down. I told you. What is it? Application pool name. What is the application pool name? See, in .NET or SharePoint, okay, each and every web application is up and running on one separate application pool account. See, this is my SharePoint web application. Okay, it will be running under where? One application pool. What this application pool will do? If something happens inside of the SharePoint web application pool will be restarted. Okay, what will happen once application pool will be restarted? All supporting files DLL will be freshly loaded to SharePoint web application. Getting? Madhuri?
Yes.
Madhuri, any doubt? I am repeating, generally from SharePoint, how it will be happen? Assume that this is the SharePoint web application. This is application pool. This application pool always protecting to our web application. If something happened, okay, in my SharePoint web application, what will happen? My application pool will be restarted. Once application pool will get restarted, sorry?
What's the something?
Something means assume that more number of users are hitting. So workload is very high.
Okay.
So it is unable to access it. Got it? So user will get the what? Page cannot be displayed page. In that case, automatically application pool will be restarted. Then what will happen? All new files or fresh DLLs will be loaded to our SharePoint web application. Then our web application will work fine. This is one reason. There are a lot of reasons are there. Getting? Okay? That is the main use of the application. Next. See, database server. This is the database server. As I explained yesterday, once I create the web application, one content database will be created. Okay? What is the content database name? By default, content database will be created like this. Some GUID. So, we cannot understand that, right? The SQL DBA guys, they will have some confusion on that. Which content database is related to which web application. If we give the proper name, like 8585, will they understand?
Yeah.
Right? Yeah. By seeing this content database, so this content database is related to particular 8585 web application. Getting? Next, yesterday I told you SSP. Did I explain about SSP? What is the SSP? Shared Service Provider. Okay, see, in SSP has been removed in SharePoint 2010, which was there in SharePoint 2007. Getting? What is the use of SSP? I have TCS web application. Now I want to enable search functionality. Okay, got it? I want to enable the search functionality. What we will do? We need to create the SSP in SharePoint 2007. If we create the SSP, by default, see, these many features will be enabled. Got it? These many features I really not required for my web application. I need only one service called search service. So it is defect, right? Due to that reason, Microsoft has removed the what? This SSP in SharePoint 2010, they have given inbuilt feature. Now click on here, custom. Choose the what? Choose the services as many as you want. I need only one search service application. Got it? Guys?
Yes.
Yeah.
Okay. Once I click on OK, then only this search service functionality will be enabled to my SharePoint web application. Get it? Now click on OK. See, you are asking admin, no? Madhuri, to,
Yes.
to implement the SSL is admin task. Okay, our task could be, assume that we are working for TCS as a big client. Then what we will do? We will give the one URL. What is it? Assume that http://tcs.com. This URL we will send it to design company. Based on this URL, they will issue the certificate. So we need to implement as a SharePoint administrator, as a IAS administrator. These people has to implement this certificate. Get it?
Okay.
The design company, they will send you, or they will issue the certificate by mail, or we have the portal. From there we can download it. Getting?
Okay.
Main admin tasks are in SharePoint is, see, how to configure the search functionality, how to install and configure the SharePoint, okay, how to deploy the application, how to move the site from dev to prod environment, how to give the permission to end users, okay, lot of things are there. These all the tasks are coming under admin.
Okay.
If site is not working, your server goes down, who will take care about that? As a SharePoint administrator, it will take care.
Okay.
It is creating. Do you have any queries as of now? Both of you. Srikanth, Madhuri.
No.
Madhuri, just check with institute people. They have already admin course content. Okay.
Okay.
They will
Okay.
guide you. Okay. Otherwise, I will talk to them. I will ask them to send you. Okay.
Yes.
Sure.
See.
No problem.
Yeah.
Can meet as well. No?
Yeah. Application, web application has been created. See, it is refreshing. It will be appear over here. What is it? See, just now I have created. What is it? 8585.
8585.
Yeah, yes, IBM Pro, that is production environment 8585. I told you, it is very important. What is the web application? Collection of site collections.
Right.
Just observe that why I am pushing this many times. Okay, collection of site collections. See, if I have one web application, at least one site collection should be required to access the site. At least one root level site collection should be required. Got it?
Yes.
Okay, I have created just web application. I need to create the site collection. How can you create it? Just click on application management. Okay, click on create site collection. Get it? Create site collection. See, what is the web application name? Change the web application. What is our web application name? 8585. See, give the title. I am giving some HR department. HR. Okay, see, these are all the different types of template. Okay, these are all these things has been provided by what? Our Microsoft itself. According to the business requirement, we will choose the template. See, I need to generate some reports, that is SSRS reports. In that case, what is the template should I use? Go to the enterprise, use the business intelligence center. Getting? What? Okay. Generally, people are out of 100%, 90+% we are using what? Team site only. Getting?
Yes.
Team site. So each and every site collection administrator will have separate site collection administrator. I am repeating. This is the HR site collection. This is the sales. This is the what? Finance. Each and every site collection will have separate site collection administrator. Got it? Who is the site collection administrator? Site collection administrator can be anyone, but the user was should existing within the Active Directory. Getting, guys? See, you are the TCS employee. Obviously, you will have the permission. So I can assign you as the administrator for HR site collection. See, I have administrator. Press it. The name resolution will be happen. See, ABC users are there. Press enter. What it is giving does not match. What does it mean? This user was not there in company Active Directory. Got it? Okay. Give the administrator. Next, secondary site collection administrator. What is the use of that? Backup of primary site collection administrator. Getting, guys?
Yes.
Okay. So assume that suddenly you are going for leave next 5 or 6 days. During in between, who will be acting as administrator? Secondary site collection administrator.
Secondary.
Yeah. Next, quarter template. Forget about quarter template. It is not right time to explain it. I will explain it later. Okay. Now click on OK. The site is creating. You are already aware of this. Already I have explained you that once I create a web application, two things will be happen. What are they, Madhuri? Yeah, I told you, once I create the web application in SharePoint, okay, two things will be happen. What are they? One, content database will be created in SQL Server, right? What is the next one? Automatically it will be deployed on IAS. See, open the IAS. What is the, how can you open the IAS? To open the IAS, shortcut is inet mgr. Press enter. See, this is the IAS. Expand it. Expand it. Sites. What is it? IBM underscore prod underscore. What is it? 8585.
8585.
Yeah, it's already deployed. What is the other thing? Open the SQL Server. To open the SQL Server, what is the shortcut? SSMS. SSMS means SQL Server Management Studio. Press enter. Click on connect. Click on expand the databases. See, getting WSS hyphen content underscore 8585. Getting, guys? Click on.
Yeah.
Okay. Now try to access the web application. Top line site has been created. Copy the URL. Open one more tab. Paste it.
So in order to open a web application, we need to create a site collection and then we can open it to what?
Yes. One web application should be having at least one root level site collection. At least. Okay, that is mandatory. Okay, press enter. It will ask you the credential. Pass the credential. That is administrator and pass the password. While accessing the web application first time, it will take some time. No need to worry. Okay. It is taking some time. It is first time, it will take some time. Again, it depends on your infra configuration, infrastructure. Okay, got it. See, any doubt? Okay, see here by default, what is my site collection name? HR, right?
Sure.
Okay, now I want to change the name. I want to give the TCS. How can you give it? Go to the site action, site settings. Click on title, description icon. Click on here.
So
Give it.
So you can change anything.
Yes, exactly. I have admin permission and I am able to change it. See, what SharePoint administrator will do? They will install the SharePoint and create one dummy site and hand over to development team, right? So development team, it is R&D department. So they will do the R&D, then they will implement the functionality. Getting? So there is no issue of the administrator or developer and all. When this concept will come? Once you move the site from dev to production. Getting? Until unless everything will be tested in dev environment itself. Okay, getting Srikant, Madhuri?
Yes.
Okay, see, next, see, generally it is my SharePoint logo. Now I want change it to what? My TCS logo. Okay, I want place the TCS logo. How can I mention it? Just see. I told you, once I install the SharePoint, which folder will be created? 14 Hive. Okay, where can you find it out? Just see. I am going to navigate that path. Go to the computer, click on SharePoint install drive. Okay, next, click on program files, common files, Microsoft Share, web server extension 40. If it is SharePoint 2007, 12. If it is SharePoint 2013, 15. Getting?
Yes.
Yeah. Now click on this thing. That is 14 Hive. See, these all the files are related to SharePoint. Okay. What it will contain? 14 Hive. SharePoint related files. That means DLL, exe files, master pages, images, and the CSS files. Getting? Okay. Now click on templates. 1033. 1033 means it is English language pack. If it is Japanese, then this folder would have what it will be? 1099. Getting? If it is Chinese, 1599. That is up to language pack. So we are using English. So by default we will get 1033. Click on here. Okay, underscore layouts 1033. See, what is the underscore layout folder here? It is very important interview question. What is the underscore layout folder in SharePoint? Underscore layout is a virtual directory in SharePoint. If you copied some items under underscore layout folder, it is common to each and every web application. I am repeating. Underscore layout folder is the virtual directory in SharePoint. If we copied some items under underscore layout folder, it is common to each and every web application.
Okay.
Getting?
Yes.
Okay. Click on 1033. Images. See, by default, these images are what? Using our SharePoint itself. See, click on any image. What is it? Some image. Next, click on template views. See, these images by default using by our SharePoint product itself. Got it? This is what? Can you tell me? Excel. Excel, right? Nice. Excel. Next, use one more thing. What is it? Arrow mark. Where can you find it out, this arrow mark? Will you tell?
Next.
See my cursor.
Yes.
Got it? Now I want to use my custom images. See, I have TCS logo. Already it was there in my desktop. Getting? I want to place it where? In underscore layout images folder. See, go to that path. Okay, what we will do? I will create my own folder. I am giving Tata. Click on here. Paste your own image. Getting?
Yes.
Now copy this path. Open the notepad, paste it. Getting? So my SharePoint will accept the path that is only /. Okay, SharePoint will be able to find the path only on /. Instead of /, give the /. What is my folder name? Tata. What is my file? That is image name? Right click, properties. Tata.png file. Got it? See? Tata.png. Copy, paste it. Where I can paste it? Go to the site action, site settings. Click on title and description. Paste it here. Click on it. See? Got it?
Yep.
Yeah. This is also admin task, Madhuri.
Okay.
See, your site was there in production. Okay, your client requested that I am not satisfied with this logo, then please change it. So first this requirement will go to development team. They will change the image. This image they will what? Share with you by what? Mail or some shared path. They need to give the instruction. Go there, this folder, place this image and apply this image like this. They will give the steps. According to that, we need to what? Change the settings. Get it?
Yes.
Okay. If you don't know how to navigate it and all, it is very difficult, right? Where to place the image and all this, all a lot of concepts will come into it. Got it? Again, it is admin task. Getting Srikanth?
Yeah.
Yeah. Okay. Next, go to the site action, site settings. Next, what is it? Quick launch. See, left side menu. This we can call it as quick launch. Now, add and quick launch. If you want to add your own link, then we can add it. Click on add new navigation link. I am giving Facebook.com. Give the Facebook description. Click on one. See, go to the home page. If I click on Facebook, then it will take us to what? Facebook.com. Getting?
Yes.
Okay. Now go to the site action, site settings. What is the top link bar? See, I have only one button. Now I want to add few more buttons. How can you add it? Click on top link bar. Add new navigation link. Let me give the google.com. Click on it. See, got it? Now I want to place my own page. Copy this URL, go to the site action, site settings, click on top link bar. Can I give contact us? Getting? Paste the URL, your copied URL, give the contact us. Click on it. See, if I click on contact us, it will take us to that page, whatever we have given the URL. Click on here. See, got it? Getting, guys? Madhuri and Srikanth?
Yes. I'm fine.
Yeah. Next, go to the site action, site settings. What is the preview? Preview is nothing but we can see entire SharePoint content from single point of view. Getting? Okay. By default it is disabled. By enabling the preview, we can see entire SharePoint content from single point of view. Just to see, click on preview, enable it. Click on it. See, entire site content we can see. Okay, I am disabling again. Click on it. Next, what is the site theme? Any idea? You might have heard in a lot of areas. See how we are changing the themes for your Gmail, Yahoo and Facebook. No, Same way we can change the themes for my SharePoint web application. See, go to the site action, site settings, click on site themes. See, Microsoft has provided so many site themes. Okay, we can use them. Okay, see, I am giving summer. Click on apply it. It is applying the theme. See, apply one more theme. Okay, I am giving some municipal. Apply it directly. See, got it? Is it got changed or not?
Yes.
Okay, so the look and feel session has been completed. Yeah, tomorrow I will explain about permission levels. Permission level, it is pure related to admin and development both. One of my student, she is working in that is Virginia, Chicago. That is HP company.
Okay.
Sorry. That is Virginia. HP Virginia branch. Okay. She is working since 1.5 years only on permission levels.
Oh, okay.
Okay. Now she is learning the SharePoint development. Her
Okay.
name is Pravina. Yeah. I think that much important, that is permission levels. It is pure. See, by mistake, if you got selected to production support, okay, production support. In that case, it is very easiest job. Okay, she is working on only permission levels since 1.5 years. That is Virginia HP company. Hewlett and Packard. Okay, tomorrow I am going to show you how to manage the permission levels in SharePoint 2010. Do you have any queries as of now? Just let me know, I will clarify them.
So are
Do
you
you have any
going to,
queries? Yeah.
are you going to specify more on administration or development?
Okay, development only. These two are both. Up to here, both.
Okay.
Okay. In next one class, for administration and development both. These are the basic knowledge of the SharePoint. Without this knowledge, you cannot do anything.
Okay, and can you send me the recordings and all kind of stuff, right? Are you going to send me this?
Now, could you please check with your university people regarding this?
Okay.
Actually, I don't have anything because this link shared by institute people so that I am able to share my screen. So recording and all, it is under control of institute people.
Okay, and are you going to help me to install SharePoint on my system?
Yes. I will help you out.
Okay.
So after the classes are done, you are going to kind of give us like more information where we can practice and install SharePoint on our machines and roll it out.
Yeah, this, could you please verify with the institute people? I am not sure about this information, whether they are going to provide the server to practice it or they are going to provide you the software which you need to install in your mobile. These kind of questions just verify with the institute.
I didn't actually get your name. You are in India, right? If I'm correct.
Yes, exactly.
Okay. So you just come in and give the training, and the institute. I should contact any information with the institute there.
Yes. Just if you need any information, please contact the institute. I am doing the training by sitting from.
So you are confident, right? A person who doesn't have a programming background can still get into SharePoint admin, though, right? If we
Yes.
kind of get through this course and try to learn more and practice and get to the interviews, that should be okay.
Yes, that should be.
Okay. I actually work in QA since long time, but kind of trying to move my job because I'm bored of it. and would like to learn some new technology.
Okay.
So that's one thing. Okay.
Actually, yeah, from January 5th onwards, US market is very good.
Okay.
It is going good.
Okay. Yeah, that's what I heard from my friends, and one of my friend actually took training from your institute. I don't know if it's you or someone else, but she actually referred me here.
Okay.
So, yeah, hopefully it works out. So when you say like 40 hours training, when are we planning to start the class, and when would it end, and it would be on weekdays like this? Do you know about that?
That is up to your availability. When you put Saturday, Sundays leaves, right? If you give me your time for 2 hours, I will take the session and we will complete it as soon as possible.
It can be done fast. Okay. Okay. Because this is a Christmas time. This is a good time for me to go through this and start on to a new one.
Yes.
So that's the reason.
Why? Because my client also PWS, that is US client only. Okay. So
Okay.
they will also go to on leave in next 10 days up to January 1st. Okay. I will also don't have any chance with client. It will be reduced.
Okay. So you are okay with during this period, right?
Yes.
Okay. Yep. That sounds good. I think I'm okay with it, and I'll talk to the person who actually sent me the email about other details, and maybe I'm okay to start over the weekend, but before that I'll talk to, I think Surender or someone contacted me, so I'll talk to him.
Yes.
Okay.
Okay.
I actually didn't get your name. What is your full name?
Yeah, this is Dhanshekar.
Okay. Okay. Thank you. Thank you so much.
Yeah, thank you, Madhuri.
Thanks.
I
Bye.
need,
Yes, Srikanth, go ahead.
no, I'm asking about, I need more into development, so how
Yes. Your session is going to be only development. If we know entire central admin, okay, then people can act as a SharePoint administrator. Now I am preparing the operations on site. In another 1 hour, that is next class will be permissions. After that, pure development. Only I am going to develop the things by using Visual Studio.
Okay.
That you no need to worry about. I will take it.
Okay, because I didn't get any documents saying that what were you going to teach or something.
What I am going to cover, right?
Yeah, what you are going to cover.
Yeah, they instinctive not single.
They didn't send me anything. When I asked about it, they're telling that it's purely technical, so you're gonna deal with that and all kind of stuff.
Yes.
They never send me any documents. So can you ask?
Okay, I will talk to them. I will send you a
Okay, and this administration and development thing was going to be in parallel or what?
No, not parallel. I will divide the session. I will take a separate session for you. Why? Because you are your development, right? That's what I am telling that after tomorrow is the last session. After tomorrow's session, there will be 2 batches. One is for you, other one is for tomorrow.
Okay.
Time slots also will be changed.
Okay, time slots also will change. Okay.
Yes.
So tomorrow there'll be as well a demo session, right?
Yes.
Okay. And okay, about video recording, I must ask them.
Yeah, rest of the other details, please wait till you.
If I can't start tomorrow, can you still do it over the weekend?
Yes, still.
That's okay, right? Yeah. Because when you say the new class is going to start, are you going to repeat this again, or this is a part of the content which you already started and you're going to move forward from here, right? If we decide that we're going to go ahead and start.
It is already started. This is okay.
Okay.
Yeah, but
So because I might not be able to make it tomorrow and day after, I'm okay with weekend. So.
These verify institute people, if they updated me regarding according to that, I will plan.
Okay, yeah, that sounds good. I don't know how it is with Srikanth, but I can make it tomorrow and day after.
Okay.
yeah, I can make it.
Okay, Srikanth, we just verify the institute people and they will let me know. then I'm
Okay.
coming to the tally.
Okay, then thank you.
Thanks a lot. Bye guys.
Thank you.
Good night.
Thank you. Bye.
Yeah.
Have
Yeah,
a good
good
day.
night.
Bye.
Yeah.